Alright, this is the pump. New pump regenerated. Alright, check this out. This pump is regenerated. No noise. The pump is installed, and right now I'm going to move the wheel, turn the wheel right to left, and etc. to remove all the fluid from the steering rack, because I want to replace the fluid also. Alright. Okay, right now turning the wheels to bleed the system. It's bleeding. Definitely it's bleeding the old fluid. That's good. Filling the reservoir with Dextron 2. It's not PSR free as recommended by KIA, but the company recommended this one, so I'm going to use it. By the way, the capacity is only 1 liter. Maximum. And right now I'm going to turn the steering wheel 2 times from left to right. Okay guys, so it's payday. Does this pump replacement solve this problem? Just check it out right now. Keeping fingers crossed. Success, guys, success! It's working, no noises. See you later on the next episode. Bye bye!